Hi, I'm Jean.
And I'm Rachel.
And welcome to Let Us Bake. Today I'm joined by my really special friend Charlie. Rachel, do you have anybody in your kitchen?
I'm on my own.
Maybe we can do something about that. Hey, Charlie?
Jean.
Baking with friends is way more fun, wouldn't you say? Today we're going to make one of our favorite snacks, caramel corn. Who doesn't love popcorn?
Yeah.
Who doesn't love caramel?
Ooh, I love them.
I just combine them together, caramel corn.
Okay, here's what you'll need.
First of all, a big person because we will be using the stove.
10 cups of popped popcorn, a cup of salted peanuts, 1 cup of brown sugar, a cup of butter, a half cup of corn syrup,
a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
I think we're ready to get started.
Rachel, are we ready to get started?
Yeah, I'm ready!
First step, you're going to take a baking pan and line it with parchment paper.
Set that aside and preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Ding! Next step, we're going to make the caramel. Grab a pot and you're going to break out your trusty candy thermometer.
To the pot, we're going to add everything except for the peanuts and popcorn. Not the peanuts.
We like using clear corn syrup, but anyone will work. Charlie, take that spatula. We're going to take this whole pot and put it on the stove on medium-high heat. We're going to stir this caramel and we're going to take it off the stove when it reaches 235 degrees. Let's do it.
Hey, Auntie, why do they throw the butter out the window?
Why, Charlie?
To watch the butterflies.
Look at that. Now we have our hot caramel and we got to work kind of fast.
Add the peanuts. Now it's time to add the caramel.
This is a really good job for a grown-up because it's very hot.
Ooh.
So we're just mixing up the peanuts and the popcorn and that yummy golden caramel. Do you want to dump that out onto our pan?
Sure.
So what you guys want to do is you want to spread it out on your pan in a nice even layer. It's okay if some get away from you. You just...
Now this goes to your oven and we're going to bake it for 5 minutes. Give it a little flip and bake it for 5 minutes more.
That equals 5 plus 5, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Brilliant. Ow!
You guys hungry?
Yeah.
Ah. This caramel corn has cooled completely. We're ready to serve it up.
This is really good, guys. So simple, so easy, a lot of fun. You should try it.
Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. I'm Jean.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Rachel.
We can't wait to see what you baked up. Make sure you upload those videos and post them on www.letusbake.com.
Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe.
How did she know that we needed that, Charlie? I just adore baking with your kids. They are so helpful in the kitchen. Do you come here often?
Of all the things.
I slept terribly, I don't know about you.